Alright guys, I'm putting this video together for my Chinese friends. So if you don't have any bank account or you don't want to receive your money through the Amazon card, so you may want to use the Pioneer account to withdraw your money from Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easy step by step how to withdraw your money from the Amazon account. Maybe if you are in China. So you want to withdraw your money from Amazon. So you want to go to this down this video on the description. So you want to click the link here. This link will take you to the Pioneer account. So you want to register your account, then you are ready to go. So let's go to the Pioneer account. I've already registered my account. So let's get done. So let's sign into the Pioneer account. Let me sign into my Pioneer account and get started. So here I am on my Pioneer account. This is my dashboard there on my website. So these are my Amazon commission that I just received on my account there. So let's say you want to receive your money. You want to connect your account to your Amazon account. You want to collect your bank to your Amazon account. So let's go to bank and card. So you want to go to receiving accounts. Click that. So these are banks that you can use to receive your money. They have banks in Europe, they have banks in UK, Singapore, US. So you can simply use one of these banks. You can also register for more banks. Yeah. If you are in China, you don't have bank account, or maybe you are working there, you don't have bank account, and you don't want to receive your money through the Amazon card, gift card. So you want to use the Pioneer account here. You can use one of these bank here. Let's say I want to use this US bank for my account. This is what I use. So you can just go down here. You want to click down here, view details. So when you click this button here, this will take you to will show you all your account details, your bank details. So you are going to copy it one by one. Then when you copy that, you go to your Amazon account. Let me quickly show you. I don't want to click it so that I don't want anybody to hack my account here. So let's go to I'm going to show you it's on Amazon so that you see what I'm talking about. So you want to scroll down here. So you want to go to account setting. No, account setting. Okay. You want to click account setting. Account settings. So you want to go to change payment method. So I've already connected my account. If not, it will show here add your payment method. If not, you never added your account, it will show you, it will tell you add your payment method. So I've already added my payment account. So let's say I want to change my payment method here. So I'll click here. So these are as you can see here, these are my shops here. I have shops in Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, and United States. These are my Amazon shop that I have and I've connected my bank account. As you can see here, I'm using First Century Bank, the US bank. It's a US bank produced offered by the Pioneer account. So let's say I want to add. So let's say I want to add an account here. Let's say I want to change my bank here. Or I want to add my bank. So you want to add bank account here. I want to click that. Now you want to say If you want to add new bank, you can go here. If you want to edit your bank, you can edit. So let's say I want to edit my bank. So this is my bank here. As you can see here, this is my name, the US bank, and my bank details. This we are going to copy it from here. Okay, from the Pioneer account. So I have to log in back again. I'm going to copy it from the Pioneer account, from Pioneer account. Then come back here on Amazon and paste it one by one. We are going to paste it one by one. Then when you finish, you are going to click save changes. There, and there you go. Now everything is in order. So if you guys want to know how to register your account, how to register your Pioneer account or your bank account on Pioneer, watch my video. I made a video on how to do that. Okay, so I'm just doing this video for my China friends. If you are in China, you want to receive your money and you don't have bank account, or you want to receive your money with the Amazon bank card, so you can use the Pioneer. You can register your account with Pioneer and you receive your money. It is very easy and straightforward. So guys, leave me your comment down below. Guys, subscribe to this channel. Let me see your comments. Let me see what to like and what you don't like about this video. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.